Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use cryptocurrency wallets for beginners. So for this example, we shall use Trust Wallet as a wallet and then Binance as an exchange. For those who are new to crypto, first step is to open up Trust Wallet. Okay, so Trust Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet that you can use to store your coins. Alright, so I'm required to put in my PIN code to access my wallet. Alright, so as you can see, this is my wallet. So take an example, guys. I want to deposit Bitcoin on my wallet. So I'll tap on receive, and then once I tap on receive, I'll search for Bitcoin. So you search for Bitcoin. So for those who don't know Bitcoin, Bitcoin is one of the currencies or the cryptocurrencies that exist, and actually Bitcoin is the highest cryptocurrency because it's currently at around $90,000 per Bitcoin, around there. So after here, just come and copy this address. After copying the address, now I'll head to my Binance. Now, assuming I have some Bitcoin on my Binance and I want to send this Bitcoin to my Trust Wallet. So I'll come to assets here. Once I come to assets, I'll tap on withdraw and then select withdraw cryptocurrency. And now on my Binance, I'll search for Bitcoin. So you search for BTC, which is a short form of Bitcoin, and then tap on it, and then tap on send via crypto network. And now paste the address you copied from Trust Wallet. And as you can see, you input the amount of Bitcoin you're having. And then after inputting the amount of Bitcoin, you tap on withdraw. And that's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.